Hello, good morning children. How are you all? I hope everyone staying safe at home. Yes, today onwards we are going to start our new academic classes. So I am your English teacher and myself Hanita teacher. And today we are going to discuss our lesson 1, that is best friends Lara and Tom. Understood? So everyone open your books. So page number 5, lesson 1, page number 5, open children. So here this is a tiny story, a small story between two characters. Understood? So here Lara is one character and Tom is one character. Here Lara and Tom are the two characters in our tiny story. So here first of all I'll tell you the story very briefly. Understood? So what about this Lara? Who is this Lara and who is this Tom? Here you know the squirrel. So squirrel like udatta antam kada manam. Yes, squirrel, udatta. Okay, so it is named as Tom. So who is our Tom? Tom is our squirrel. Ante enti? Udatta. Understood? So here one more character is there in our story. Who is that? Lara. Lara means Maina. Maina means what? Kokila antam kada? Children, you know this kokila. What that bird will be doing? It will be singing very beautifully. Understood? So it is black in color and it will be singing very beautiful, very smooth music we can listen from our this Maina. So what happened to these two characters in our story? Now listen children carefully. So once in a forest there was a banyan tree. So in that banyan tree, this our Maina was there. No, she had a small nest over there on that trunk of that banyan tree. So it was staying there happily every day, going and getting some worms for that and staying safely at there. And near that tree only, near that our banyan tree only, our squirrel, that is Tom, it is also living together with Maina. And where is our Tom? Squirrel lives in where? Holes. Means where? If it is a tree, here our nest will be there. Here Maina is living. Okay. Here Maina is living in a nest, and here beside of this tree only, here a small holes will be there. Here our Tom squirrel was living. Understood? So I already said no, Maina was a beautiful singing. So one day this our Maina and our squirrel, that is named as Tom, Lara and Tom became both best friends. So every day our Lara used to sing a song, and every day our Tom used to listen that beautiful song. So one day finally they became close friends, and then they were together going and getting. Our Tom used to going and getting nuts. Every day it will be going in the search of nuts for food. Understood? So what I mean to say that our squirrel wants food, right children? What is the food our Tom used to take? Nuts. So every day Tom will be going in the search of nuts, and our Maina means what? Who is Maina? Lara. So Lara will be going to in the search of worms. Maina em tintundi? Worms, ante earthworms. You know that earthworms will be there, no? They will be moving on the earth. So this Maina food is worms, earthworms. It will be eating, and this is the food of Tom, our squirrel. Understood? So what happened? So one day in the spring season, finally our Maina gave 3 babies. Our Maina laid 3 eggs. Understood? 3 eggs. Ante enti? Mana Maina 3 eggs. She laid it. Then that eggs turned into 3 small little Mainas. Understood? So at before only Maina was there. Now how many are there? More 3 little Mainas also, and 1 big Lara also was there on the nest. So one day what happened? Lara want to go and get some earthworms for her babies. So what she said? She said Tom to look after her babies. So what happened? Okay, then what the Tom said? Okay, I will look after your babies. You go and get your worms for your babies. Then Tom went over there to look after, to take care of these babies, and our Lara went outside to get some earthworms, that worms for her babies. Understood up to here? So next what happened? One day, on that day only, finally one wild cat entered over there. Who entered into our character now? Wild cat. What this cat want to do? She is very cunning. Understood? Our wild cat is very cunning. She want to eat the babies of this Lara. Understood? She want to eat the babies of Lara. Understood? So what happened means, one day when that wild cat was roaming near this tree, one Maina fell down. So it fell down here. Understood? Our Maina's baby, one of the baby fell down here. So it started chirping. Chirping means shouting, loudly shouting. Why? Because she is unable to fly. Why? Because it is a small baby, so it was unable to fly. Still her wings were not supporting to fly. Then she started shouting, chirping. Understood? Then suddenly this wild cat saw that little baby and she want to have it as a food. Then what happened? Our Tom is there, no? She saw this all thing what was going on there. Then she had a nuts in that hand. Who is having nuts? Squirrel. Our squirrel is having nuts in that hand. Then she taken one nut and thrown onto that where wild cat's eye. Understood? Where it thrown? Into wild cat's eye. Then what happened? It became injured. Who became injured? Our wild cat became injured. Then Tom came and taken this our little baby and kept into the nest. So after all this happened, our Lara came back to the nest. Then our Tom means who? Our squirrel. She said whatever happened. So then she was very helping. She was our Lara is there, no? She was very thankful to that Tom. Why? Because she saved her baby, little baby. So she was very friendly, and because of this she was very thankful to that Tom. In this way again their friendship became more strong. So this is the brief story which I explained. Now look into your lesson. So all of you open your lesson 5. So I am reading the story here. Now listen. Once there was a banyan tree on the edge of a forest. So where was that banyan tree? On the edge of a forest. A squirrel named Tom lived there in a hole in a tree trunk. So who will be living there? Hole. Who is there? Tom. Understood? A Maina named Lara also lived in the same tree. Understood? Lara would sing beautifully and Tom would hear her sing as he went about gathering nuts. So our Tom's duty is going and gathering nuts every day. Understood? One spring season, Lara laid how many eggs? Lara laid 3 eggs. After a few weeks, she had 3 baby mynas in her nest. So how many came? 3 baby mynas. Understood? Tom lived spending time with Lara and the babies. So I said no already, they both became close friends, and every day this Tom used to take care of that Lara and her babies. So one morning, Lara flew off early in search of worms for her babies. So I already said no, one day she went for getting worms for her babies. She asked Tom to keep an eye out for them. Tom said, sure. So what she said? So please take care of my babies. Who said that? Our Lara. Okay, she is going no. So she gave work for Tom. So I will watch out for them. He tidied his little hole and then went out in search of nuts around the tree. So it was searching of nuts. Now don't you little birdies leave the nest. So who said this? Tom said for this 3 minor babies. So Uncle Tom will be back in a minute, said Tom as he left. So all of you turn your page 6. In Tom's absence, one of the baby birds, while testing her wings, lost balance and fell off the nest of the ground. So here that little baby want to test its strength, that whether it can fly or not. So meanwhile it fell down. Understood? So what happened then? She chirped and chirped, unable to fly back to her nest. So chirped means what? Making a sound loudly, making sound, chirping sound, shouting. Her brother and sister chirped back loudly. They could not help the fallen bird. So other two mynas were there, no? They were unable to lift this myna from here to the back to the nest. So they were helpless. So suddenly what happened? Suddenly a wild cat. See here in the picture you can see, children. Here you can see this wild cat entered over there. So it started, want to see here, one myna fell down, no? So she want to take as a food. Tom came back right at the moment. Hearing chirps, he hurried towards the tree. So he came to the tree. Who? Tom. Seeing the danger, Tom dropped the nuts, but one he threw the nut at the cat. So where he thrown? One cat on the eye of the cats. The nut hit the cat in his right eye, making him scamper. Scamper means what? Run away in pain and fright. So when the Tom thrown that nut into the eye of the wildcat got injured and went away from there. Tom then gently picked up the little birdie and into bounds carried her up to the nest. So within two steps taken that little baby back to the nest. When Lara came back and heard everything, she went to Tom and hugged him. So in this way she saved her baby and she was very thankful to her Tom. Understood? So this is the story, and what is the moral of this story? So what is the moral? You should be friendly to everyone. Understood? Then only it will be helping, between both will be helping together. So everyone should be friendly. So this is our moral of this story. So here some word meanings are given, children. So only 4 words are given. So I am reading out. Once look into this. First one is what? Tidy. First one is what? Tidy. So what is this? Tidy means, see there, to clean and put things in their proper places. Understood? Tidy means what? To clean and put things in the proper places. Second one, see, sneak. Understood? What is this? Sneak means to move quietly with the idea of not getting caught. So means if any problem was there, what we'll be doing? We'll be trying anyway to get out from there. Yes, if anyone want to harm you, what you'll be saying, what you'll be doing? You'll be just saying there? No, we will be trying to get out of from there. Yes, children. So in this way, here who tried out to get away from there? Our little Mina. Yes, here third one is, see there, pounce, attack suddenly by jumping on something. Fourth one, see there, scamper, run with quick, light steps. So everyone, children, once or 2 to 3 times make a read of this our story. So then only it will be very helpful to answer this all grammar part which was given. And also here few questions are also there. So if you want to answer these questions, so you have to read the lesson 2 to 3 times. So without reading, you are unable to answer. Understood? So what you have to do? Slowly, at least if any hard words are there, ask your parents, take your parents' help or your elders' help and try to read out and complete the story. Then only you can answer these questions. So in the meanwhile, you can also try to complete this. If you are unable to do, I'll be telling in your next class. Thank you, children.